Hover your mouse to the left side of the screen after you log in to your GoDaddy websites until this sidebar appears and you want to choose on the store option. Then hit the settings option just like here. On the settings, click on the payment selection. On this page, you want to scroll down until you see the PayPal option. If you don't find the Stripe option, click on the other credit or debit card payment providers and you should see the Stripe option, and then tap on the connect button just besides it, which will take you to this page, and then select the Stripe account that you want to connect to and click on the connect button. You are then good to go. The Stripe is already connected to GoDaddy, and you may accept credit or debit cards on your GoDaddy website with other benefits. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.